Here are the answers from Thursday's Language Arts Review. Here, first question, we need another ending mark. Which ending punctuation mark completes a sentence? Wow, I can't believe it. That sentence is showing excitement. It is an exclamation, so it should end with an exclamation mark. Which sentence is written correctly? Yesterday I learned that red stars are the coolest stars in the sky. Yesterday I learns that red stars are the coolest stars in the sky. Or yesterday I learned that red stars are the coolest stars in the sky. Okay, this sentence with learned is correct because we learned that it happened yesterday, so we have to have the past tense verb, which would be learned with ed. Which words in the sentence are nouns? Our sun appears white to astronauts in space. Sun is a noun. Appears is the verb. White is the color word. Okay, it's describing how the star appears. Astronauts is a noun. Space is a noun. Which noun should be capitalized? The color? I'm looking for a word that's a name of something to be capitalized. Color's not the name of something. The scientist doesn't tell me which scientist. The sun. The sun is the name of a star, so it should be capitalized. Is the verb past, present, or future tense? Yesterday we found this verb phrase, will watch. We will watch the sun rise tomorrow. Because we have this helping verb will, it has not happened yet. That means this verb is going to be future tense. It's future tense because it has the helping verb will in front of it. Write an adjective that could describe how a star shines. Adjectives tell how. They usually end with ly. I think brightly would be a good adjective to describe how a star shines. You may choose constantly to describe how it shines. Probably looking for a word that ends with ly to tell how. How does the star shine? How many syllables are in the word tomorrow? Tomorrow. How many did you count? I counted 3. 3 syllables in tomorrow. How about the word color? Color. Yep, 2. And universe. 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 3. All right. Good job on that one from yesterday. Good luck on your quiz today.